Today I'm going to show you the vertical 4-track window system that we're famous for. This window system has 4 sections with 4 different tracks, all independently locked together. I can go from a completely enclosed room to a completely open screen porch in just seconds. I can then walk and open up the rest of my room in a couple more seconds. When the weather turns bad, I can turn it back into a 3-season room. It's as simple as that. There's infinite possibilities in ventilation. You can open it just a crack at the top, a crack at the bottom at the same time for convection airflow. Like I said before, all the way down or all the way up. The windows pop out real easily for cleaning. Push them to one side, windows will pop right out, clean them, put them back in. They're all the same size, so it doesn't matter which order you put them in. It's just that easy. The vinyl panels are available in multiple tints. The benefit of a tint is if the sun is shining in, say you're facing west, and it's coming in through the top, you can position it like a pair of sunglasses wherever the sun's shining in. And as the sun sets, you can lower your window. The look of the tinted panel at the bottom acts as a knee wall from the outside. When the windows are stacked down at the bottom, they disappear right behind the furniture line.